Yeah, it's been snowing since Tuesday, and it's going to be snowing until Thursday. We've got at least a foot of snow, maybe even more. Not quite sure how much. It's supposed to snow till tomorrow night here in North Dakota. Not quite sure how much we're getting. Quite a bit so far. It's really windy out there and cold today. We were outside a little bit ago.